Here's how to frontside flip on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for the frontside flip, you want to place your middle finger at the center of the tail. Sometimes I notice that they put their middle finger into the pocket of the tail. But for me, I prefer to place mine in the middle of the tail because that's where I feel most comfortable when I'm doing a frontside flip. And for your index finger, you want to place it just below the ball. It's a very similar position to a regular kickflip. And this is my placement for a frontside flip. So when it comes to frontside flip, I push the tail forward first with my middle finger before I pop. So right after you pop the tail down, then flick your index finger towards the nose of the board just like I taught you in a regular kickflip. But remember, in a frontside flip, the middle finger does all the work because that's what helps you to pop the tail into an 80 motion. So when it comes to the frontside flip, you should also move your elbow into a 90 degree to ensure you catch it properly, which will make your frontside flip even better and more stylish as possible. So remember, keep this in mind. Push forward with your middle finger, pop the tail down, then flick your index finger towards the nose of the board. And then the last step is to move your elbow into a 90 degree angle to catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away. It's all about that perfect timing. Extra fun fact, once you master the frontside flip, you can also learn the hard flip at this point. How? Let me explain to you guys. The finger position is the same as a frontside flip, but this time you don't have to rotate your hand and elbow if you just let the boards rotate at this point. Once it has finished rotating, catch it with your both fingers in a regular position. If you're confused right now, don't worry. Just pay attention to this video and I'll show you the difference between the frontside flip and the hard flip and you'll see what I mean. Well, there you have it. Now you know on how to do a frontside flip and a hard flip. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video and remember I taught that to you. Itachi Han. You're welcome.